Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here we are, wrapping up for today. Of course, we started our egg sale at 10 a.m. this morning. I think we're going about almost 8 o'clock. Almost 8 o'clock. It took a while, but we finally sold out this week. What an awesome job for everyone who hit up the DoorDash and came down and picked up Ophelia's premium eggs. Premium eggs. I had to go and snatch one. Because, hey, Farmer Mike needs some eggs too. We can't sell them all. So I've got one right there that I'll take home. Your next opportunity comes next Saturday. You have to reserve. They go by really fast usually, so you need to make sure that you hit up the DoorDash and reserve your dozen for next week, every Saturday from 10 until 2 p.m. And actually, we're staying even later today because the weather is just so nice. I want to show you what you get. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. The Vine Street Pampered Hens are tucked in for the night. They've got the fresh water and the feed and whatnot. It's been about just an hour just watching them. You just get caught up. This is for people who want to know what real food tastes like and where their food comes from, how it's being raised, and things like that. This is our packaging, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm right there, and the Kansas City Ophelia's brand right here. And oh, look at some of the wonderful selections of eggs. And this right here, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a double yolk. Check out that video that I did where I cracked one and showed you on the skillet, in the cast iron skillet. That's already got 1,000 views, so maybe we'll do another one. Maybe I'll do this one tomorrow morning. You'll have to tune in. And I think this is probably a double yolk too, actually. So definitely, we got a lot of varieties of different birds in beautiful colors, totally organic. And hey, you can't beat that. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and those are mine. So you have to wait till next week. And if you've had some Ophelia's eggs, let me know down below in the comment section how it turned out for you. So we're live, not a pre-recorded video, actually live. Got a lot of work done inside the greenhouse today. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Visit our website. Tomorrow morning I need to get my monitor. Going right there so we can do some street advertising. So let me know if you want to put your business in the window right there. We'll put it on the loop. I'll work on that tomorrow. Can't do it all. I wish I had more time, but all it takes is a little bit every day, just a few hours every day. Consistency. We went through consistency. So I was hoping someone would be on a live right now. I'll give it a couple seconds. Maybe someone will hop on. Where we at? We're at 757. So we're connected to 157 million people on this platform. And Farmer Mike giving away the game for free. Looks like there's someone across the street trying to outwork Farmer Mike. And they're building some really nice 3-story those are townhomes across the street. I don't know if you can see right there. I'll zoom in. Can I zoom in? How can I zoom in? There we go. Where is he at? Yeah. There's a guy working over there trying to get that house up. Trying to get the overtime, trying to outwork Farmer Mike. Maybe I'll stay a little bit longer. I just hate to lose. What about you? If you do, let me know in the comment section. Oh, we have one person watching. Don't know who that is, but I hope you get an opportunity. You have to hit me up and you have to get some of our eggs, okay? So whoever that is watching, you have to get some Ophelia's locally produced eggs. And And how would you like to crack that open tomorrow morning and have a 2-egg omelet? Oh, look at that. Have you ever seen an egg? Oh, let me know. Have you ever seen an egg that beautiful? In the comments section. Oh, all local, all beautiful. Even got some leghorns. So it's about what you'll get. It's about what you'll get if you reserve today for next week. And actually they're all right here on Vine Street, Kansas City, Missouri. Where real food comes from. It's true transparency right here at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives.